Hey guys, welcome back to Monkey Q channel, and today's video we are in Kota Damansara Driving Range. The golf facility has two floors, on each wing left and right. Each wing has 18 slots, ground and top floor, while in the middle has 12 slots, all in total of 84 playable golf slots. Aside from that, they also service car wash. If you don't have a car, no problem. Use MRT train and going to Kota Damansara. Then stop at Surian station. Walk towards Sunway Medical Center. Kota Damansara Driving Range is just beside it. So welcome back to Monkey Q channel, and today we are in Kota Damansara Driving Range. It's not about driving the car, but it's about practicing golf. You heard it right. It's a place where you practice golf. If this is your first time, like me, I just did my first golf in my life right here. If you're also an advanced or a pro, you can also come here and do the practice. So the price range, you have to buy the balls. I mean rent the balls, use the balls. For 8 ringgit, you have 50 golf balls, and if you go for 100 golf balls, you're just gonna pay 16 ringgit. So in case if you're asking how about if I go here without bringing my gears like clubs, well, they can let you rent a club, I mean the gear, the stick, for around 5 ringgit. They charge me for 1 ringgit for 5 ringgit. Okay, so here's an update. If you are going to rent for 2 clubs, you have to pay 15 ringgit, and if only 1 club, that's costs around 5 ringgit. So I'm not sure why it's 15 ringgit for 2 clubs. It could have been 10, but yep, that's their price range here. So 100 golf balls for 16 ringgit, and then 2 clubs for 15 ringgit, in total of 31 ringgit. So yep, for 31 ringgit, you can now start playing your first golf. If this is your first time and you have zero knowledge, the staff can be very helpful. They provide basic positioning and hitting the ball. I'm not sure if they have professional trainer, but you can contact them.
No, like this. Straight. Try first.
So this is your first time for the golf?
Yes, this is my first time playing golf. Feeling good.
Is it hard?
At first, it's hard because I cannot hit. The third try, I managed to hit the ball.
Wow! Oh, nice! What about you, Rajesh? How's the first time experience trying the golf?
It's kind of challenging, but
Why?
I'm getting used to it.
So guys, this is my first golf in my life, and I'll teach you how to be pro.
You're learning how to play golf.
Stop.
At first, ganon. Okay, order Cantonese stir fry. What's yours? Pinang mi mama.
Penang mi mama.
Okay, pinang mi mama. Sadong. Play patini. This one I ordered just now.
Dia satu Cantonese. You want yimi? Yimi, kuih tiao or mi hon mi yin yang.
Mimi.
Yimi.
Dia mau ini. Okay? Alright. 58.
What's inside? Ooh.
I'm not really sure.
What's the flavor or what kind of tea is it?
I cannot explain, but it's similar to black tea. Black tea.
Black tea?
Yeah.
But it's not color black.
Yes. Similar only.
Amazing.
Mamontage natin.
Presentation. Yeah, you got
Hindi na nilagyan nila ng parang hit-hit naman. Ano nila mag-swing? Bukas.
They also get a golf shop inside where you can buy golf clubs, gloves, shirts, and many more. So that concludes our first golf experience. Should I recommend? Absolutely. Whether you're a beginner or pro, driving range is a good spot for practice, family bonding, exercise, and getting a new hobby.